whatever I am doing is a part of the mental preparation only by telling you the facts, giving you the facts, what happens, what doesn't happen, so that you get mentally prepared. But most of the times what happens, whatever we tell you, it puts the fear in you. The first response often is that fear. Kyun yaar? But because it's very superficial. So when the preparation happens, preparation also happens from the inside. जो अंदर से ना आवाज़ आ रही है ना, उसको हम किसी तरह से थोड़ा थोड़ा शांत करके we convince that no within us. So we will do that kind of a preparation also. Where the question was mind over matter की जो भी बात की थी, आपने पूछा? Somebody had asked me just now. Okay, what is it? Yeah. Okay. So where that mind over matter thing comes into play. Now, when we handle the things technically, we as technicians, we understand the characteristics of the wood, we understand the characteristics of other fuels that we use. We also understand what goes into creating that fire, what temperature we are going to use there, because you will be walking on a fire or the bed of fire, not exactly flaming fires. It will be somewhere between, let's say, 800 to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit से मतलब करीब 450 डिग्री, जो 450 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के आसपास तक। Steel doesn't melt. The fear has just started getting it. कुछ नहीं मिले, उसकी चिंता ही नहीं होता। देखिए क्या होता है, उस तरफ मैं खड़ा हूँ, उसको लेकर क्या करना, क्या है फिर वही वाली बात है। एक साइड में जल्लाद होगा, दूसरी तरफ। Do we get to dip our feet in water before? That's a bad idea. If we do it, we do it afterwards. Yes. If we do it, we do it afterwards.
Today we have a dinner program at Risala.
See, the thing is that you will have a new dish today. डिनर प्रोग्राम है, चिंता क्यों करते हैं, सबकी तैयारी है। हाँ, सिक्की भी टंगड़ी होगी आज, किसकी होगी पता नहीं, नहीं तो खुद ही बैठ के लगे हुए हैं। हाँ, so now when I was talking about the characteristics of the wood or the fuel that we are using, we fully understand कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम यहाँ पे 450 डिग्री पे हम चल रहे हैं तो कल को हम एसिटिलिन लैंप में उंगली डाल देंगे तो हम बच जाएंगे। It's not going to happen. अच्छा yes. आप जब deep flames where you will the hair on your leg will get no vaccine. See, lifelong vaccine की जरूरत ना पड़े इससे अच्छी बात है। No, we will not have flames there. We will not have flames there. See, where the question came, the physics of walking on fire. What happens here? I don't know. I think most of us have, when we were kids, we were told by our parents not to pass our fingers through the flames, but most of us did. Yeah, there. Look at the kid. Yeah, he's doing it. Yes. So now the mom also knows. Yeah, कितना भी बना क्या? And most of us have done it. But were our fingers actually burned? No. Because there was a certain time through which we had to take a finger there, and we learned it by experience only. Same thing is going to happen here, or maybe an extended form of it is going to happen here. What will happen is that there are two sides of it. The amount of contact time that is there of our souls with the coal, the burning coal. Now, if the contact time becomes more, or let's say what happens that, okay, how many of you remember walking on a hot rooftop barefoot? Most of us, उस ज़माने में होता था, अब नहीं होता है. I think most of us are without boots and chappals and everything, but that was the time when we were actually छत पे जाके खेलना ही होता था. And what used to happen at that time? We were just going That's how we walked. That's what actually happened here. But क्या है कि today we will not walk like that. That is the conditioned response that happens. Today we are going to forget what we did then. We are not going to walk like that. We are going to walk as simply as we walk in the garden or wherever we walk. See what happens that when you are walking like this, your entire body weight is on a certain point. अब क्या हो गया कि two things happen. एक तो pressure पड़ गया वहाँ पे, and second thing is that the coal gets stuck to your skin. And by the time you have taken 2-3 steps, you get the first degree or second degree burn.
No, it's conditioning.
See, once we condition it, then we decondition it. That's what we are talking about. Okay, so today we will learn how to walk naturally, normally, even under that diverse condition. Because जहाँ पे हमें भागने की आदत पड़ी हुई है, वहाँ पे भी उतने ही आराम से करेंगे. That's one part. While we are walking, our contact time is going to be minimum. Minimum doesn't mean that we run. Because the moment you run, you are actually putting your foot even deeper into the coal. And what happens? The coal is going to split. What this gentleman here asked me, are we going to wet our feet? Wetting your feet before the fire is one of the most dangerous things to do. The coal will actually get stuck and you get at least the second degree burn. Now there are three types of 3 degrees of burn: first degree, second degree, and third degree. Okay? अभी मैं वो भी बताता हूँ. First degree burn we normally get. हम कुछ भी करते हैं, जरा सा भी कुछ करते हैं, वो हो जाता है. It becomes reddish. It's the first degree burn. In second degree burn we have a okay. And third one is where the flesh is visible. We are not going to that level at all. See, no. Wait a minute.
जो सुने नहीं उन लोग ही वॉक करेंगे भाई.
Okay. See, अगर कोयला चिपक गया, you will get chances of getting a second लग तो गई ही है. Chances of getting a second degree burn are pretty high. लेकिन how to avoid it? We walk normally. We are also walking at a pace which is not forcing our feet inside. And we also understand that when we have created a fire, it's a wood fire, there is also a thin film of ash on the wood, which is also creating a small layer, which is the protective layer. एक और मैं बचपन की आपको याद दिलाता हूँ, maybe some of you might have tried it out at home. पेपर का हम लोग कब बनाते थे, उसके अंदर पानी उबाल देते थे. Has anybody tried it? Some people have also tried boiling eggs in that. Till the time the water is present there, the paper cup doesn't burn. Now the biology part is this, that हमारे cells में कितना पानी है. Till the time we remain relaxed, blood circulation will continue to happen properly, and the chances of you getting burned are not there at all. But more under stress you people are, जितना ज़्यादा आप भाग रहे हैं, घबरा रहे हैं, the more chances of getting burned are there. Now, having said that, I have also talked about mental preparation. We'll come to that later. There's another part, and I want you guys to remember this very clearly. In case there is some first degree or second degree burn, first degree में क्या होता है? First degree में क्या होता है? You maybe have a reddish skin at that point. Second degree में you get a blister. If you get a blister, you don't puncture it. I'm talking about the first aid part. If you get that red first degree burn, you don't apply anything on that except for normal running water. ठंडा पानी के अलावा you don't apply any ointment. जो बचपन से हम सुनते आए हैं बर्नॉल लगा लो. We are not doing that. We are not applying any ghee, butter, any kind of ointment, kerosene. Yes. People do that. We are not applying anything on that. You only apply water, or maybe if it is possible, कच्चा आलू पीस के इसके ऊपर रख सकते हैं. First degree and the second degree burns can easily be handled by that, and you have to keep that in mind. Why I am saying this? Because it has often happened that कई बार हमारे ग्रुप में एक दो लोगों को आग लगी है, थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हुई है, वो भी आग से मेरा मतलब ये था कि उन्होंने बिस्लरी की बॉटल में वोडका डाल के पीते हुए और आके झूम के उस पर नाचे हैं, और उसके बाद जो हुआ सो हुआ. Good thing is this, that between Sanjay and me, we have done at least 200 firewalks. ऊपर वाले की बहुत मेहरबानी रही है कि शायद एक दो प्रोग्राम्स में ही 2-4 लोगों को फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न्स हुई है, and I'm not denying it.
But
It
all
is-
are alive.
Huh?
All are alive.
This is the normal. If you apply anything on your skin, if it is burnt, then you are actually trapping the heating side. That is what is going to cause the blisters. So, कुछ भी होता है, you just apply cold water for 10 minutes and you will be fully covered. Is that okay with everybody? Has everybody understood the first aid part? That's the most. Yeah, we have cold water. We have arranged for cold water in a bucket there. After that, we also have running water in a tap. This right there. We have arranged for it. Okay. Having said that, we also have, which is the legal requirement actually, that you will have to sign some kind of a bond if you want to do it. See, again, I am telling you again and again, this is a voluntary activity. Nobody is going to force you to do it at any moment. Neither me nor Saroja or you are going to force anybody to do it. See, it starts off with roughly 40%, and within 20 minutes, 200%. Means कुछ लोग फिर दोबारा मैं जिस एंगल से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, सबके पैर से लगाया है. तो जिस एंगल से आप बोल रहे हैं, बात ही नहीं है कुछ. So that's one part. And we will do the practice part that we will do outside. I'll just check with.
What's the distance?
It will be. It's a bed of roughly 12 feet. 12 feet by 3 feet. Now while you're walking, I'll ask you to walk in a certain way. आप लोग वैसे walk करेंगे. Most of the times when we do this fire walk, we do it one at a time. एक के बाद एक ही करते हैं. So once you have walked a certain way, suddenly you realize कि मुझे नहीं करना, and you turn back and नहीं करना. You continue to walk ahead. Yes, there are people who have done it. Yeah. No. See what करते हैं मतलब आगे निकल जाओ. We will certainly take all precautions. We will have. I'll be standing on the other side of the fire. My colleague Jagmohan will be looking after the fire.
લગાવે તો નહીં થાય. ભૈયા આ બધું
મજા ના આવે
ના આવે આ તો કંઈ થોડી પેલો છે નિકોન નહીં
આવે જ ને
એમાં 5Dમાં એવું થાય
હા એમાં એવું થાય
કેનનમાં લો લાઇટમાં નહીં મજા આવે
પણ આગળ નતું લાઈટ પેલી જાય ને તો પછી ઓછા પસાર
એના માટે પછી તારે આની TTL
Gentlemen. And lady, sorry. Thank you very much.
उधर आ जाओ
लेकिन इसमें चलने से पहले what I how you will walk जैसे है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक
टॉर्च चालू करी
हमारे दिल में रहती है
मजा हम टॉर्च कर वांधो ना
ફીસ થોડોક ખબર છે થોડોક વધારે
जब आई जरा आप तारा मत टाइम
मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा होऊंगा. Now I'll have to request all the people with cameras that not to use your flashlights or tube lights. आप ये दिक्कत कर रहे हैं आप 2 steps और पीछे चले जाओ so that you get into a normal pace by the time you reach. And what you have to do, you don't look down at the fire. You don't look down at the fire. You look at me. You look into my eyes. हो सकता है अंधेरे में मैं दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा हूँ. हो सकता है मेरी सूरत देख के आपको बहुत नफरत हो रही है. कोई बात नहीं. But still, guys, at the moment, treat me as a savior. Look into my eyes and remember the keywords. What are the cool thoughts? Allow that to repeat in your mind. Continue to repeat that in your mind. Start there. Come. And you start walking. जैसे पेट बनता है वो mentally वो आप चलने दो as a mantra and then just come. Now, while you're coming here, यहाँ आने के बाद रुकना नहीं है. यहाँ आने के बाद 2 स्टेप लेने के बाद ये नहीं कि अब मैं बाहर जाऊँ वो भी नहीं करना है. Just
થોડા સાઈડમાં કરાય
my guys will be standing.
બેટા થોડા
थोड़ा
પીછા
साइड में जाओ
બસ
Right? Got the idea? Now, everybody has to hold their trousers now maximum कर सकते हैं. And is anybody wearing any kind of a nylon stuff on their feet? ठीक है. Nylon के trousers मतलब cotton ही है ना सबके पास. Cotton है ना? Properly dry. Don't step on the wet area. Huh? Right now, don't step on the wet area. Okay, who's coming?
Achal.
Achal, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Achal. The moment you are fully ready, look into my eyes and walk straight. Walk! Just you will have to walk a little faster. And what happened that while you were walking, आप 2 बार आपने steps change. You don't have to do that. Walk continuously. Walk a bit faster. Do it again. Continue to repeat the word cool moss in your mind. Wait. Until unless I ask you to move, you don't move. Okay? Achal, are you ready?
Yes.
Achal, when you are absolutely ready, look into my eyes and move. No, Achal. आपका फेस वहाँ से 2 बार बैकवर्ड होता है, उसके बाद
आप पीछे जाइए फिर ना
थोड़ा सा पीछे लेके फिर आप Okay, who's coming next? Satya, are you ready? Satya, look into my eyes and walk. Okay, who's coming? Apu, are you ready? Apu, walk comfortably, your natural walk, but walk faster. Okay? Look into my eyes and walk when you're ready. Walk. That's better. Go. Go to my eyes. Walk towards me. Walk. Great. Great. Walk बहुत अच्छी है. थोड़ा सा पीछे. आपसे थोड़ा सा पीछे. Look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Good. 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 थोड़ा सा बढ़ा. Okay. What's the measure? Look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Good. आप मेरे सबसे थोड़ा पहले. Great, great, great. Last में आके you can let it slow. Don't worry about anything. Are you ready? Ready. When you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Who's next?
Ranjit.
Sorry?
Ranjit.
Ranjit?
Yes.
Ranjit, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Who's next?
Srini.
Srini. Srini, are you ready?
Yeah.
When you're absolutely sure, Srini, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Wait. You move before I get there. When you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Great pace, great pace. Good one. Who's coming?
Jeet.
Gurjeet. Gurjeet, are you ready?
Yeah.
Gurjeet, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Good pace, good one. Who's coming? Saroja, are you ready? Saroja, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk.
Very slow. Very slow.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ellen, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Great, great. Last की दो पेज में थोड़ा सा. Saurabh, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Saurabh, आपके steps में jerks आ रहे हैं. Alok, are you ready? Yes. Alok, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Great job. Good job.
Well done.
Good job. थोड़ा फैला दीजिए. हाँ? यहाँ से भी थोड़ा सा लेंगे. This point. Ray, are you ready?
Yes.
When you're absolutely sure, Ray, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Good. Okay, who's coming next?
Dhananjay.
Sorry?
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay. Wait a minute. Okay, who's coming?
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay, are you ready?
Yes.
Dhananjay, maintain your pace. When you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk!
आई
Good. Okay. Who's coming next? Gurjeet, are you ready?
Yeah.
Gurjeet, when you're absolutely sure, maintain your pace and walk towards me. Walk! Go! Great job. Are you ready? Yes. When you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk!
आमस चाले
Walk naturally.
એટલે બાઇક
Okay?
લઈને આવી જાય છે
Move your hands and walk with a good pace.
હા
You okay with that? Okay, Apur. When you're
ના,
absolutely
કાર
sure,
છે ને
look
બાઇક
into my
છે.
eyes and walk towards me. Walk.
હા આવી જાય છે ઓકે
Eyes and walk towards me. Walk.
ગુડ 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 ચલો નીકળી જઈ
Faster, you cannot change it.
કલ્પેશ નીકળી જાય ને
Okay? Walk faster.
તમારું કંઈ લઈ
maintain
જવાનું
that
તમારે?
pace.
તમને
Be
કંઈ
flat
આપવાનું
footed.
બેટરી બેટરી
Okay?
બેટરી બેટરી છે.
When you're absolutely sure, Shuri,
આ પતાઈને મારે
look
ત્યાં
into my
જવાનું છે.
eyes
એટલે આમાં
and walk
છે
towards
રાખું
me.
ને.
Walk.
બહુ
Milan. Who's coming? Milan. Milan, are you ready? Okay. When you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me. Walk. Great. Let's go there.
sure.
Okay, Prasenjit, are you ready? Prasenjit, when you're absolutely sure, maintain your pace, walk towards me, looking into my eyes, walk. Okay. Saroja, are you ready? Remember what I told you? You have to increase your pace, take slightly larger steps and not falter in between. You walk faster towards me. Saroja, when you're absolutely sure, look into my eyes and walk towards me at a faster pace. Walk!
Good. Did you get it? Did you get it? Good news and bad news. Brilliant photograph, but you cannot get that. After the photograph. પતી ગયું આ છેલ્લું છે. One question. That's good. Okay. Good. Please give it to me. No, बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन time after that. No, battery नहीं है अंदर.
Okay.
One question when you started walking.
Who's coming? Saurabh. Saurabh, are you ready? Saurabh, remember what I told you
અહીંયા મૂકી દો.
about your pace?
બાઇક મૂકી દો અહીંયા.
Balance your pace.
ગાડી માં જતો.
Walk faster. Look into my eyes when you're absolutely sure. Walk.
નારોડાથી સીધું જતું રહેવાય ને
John Jonas.
उसके पास है ना चीज उसके पास लिस्ट है यार बात नहीं है ना वहाँ पे सुमित बाली no read from the list he has the list बालाजी को भी यहाँ देखा नहीं Okay, fine. He's taking his job seriously.
Yes, we are celebrating, man.
Sumit Boy has left for the work there. Like a Pushkar Mishra.